I'm Jyoti Sharma and you're watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with the latest updates. UPL's net profit jumped 36.9% to rupees 634 crore on an 18.2% surge in net sales to rupees 10,567 crore in Q2 September 2021 over Q September 2020. Commenting on the Q2 performance, Jay Shroff, CEO of UPL, said that we are pleased to announce a strong set of results in difficult environment. This is evidence of the efficient management and our supply chain through backward integration, focus on innovation and agility of the team. In a recent interaction with Krishi Jhakran Thai India Private Limited, MD discussed about duplicacy of company's product rotavator blade, and he has given some identification to distinguish between authentic and duplicate product rotavator blade.
मेरा नाम रियो निशियामा है, Tayo India Managing Director. 私どもの LJFS जापान मॉडल।
ये हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है ये LGF ब्लेड है, रोटावेटर और सुपर सीडर के लिए बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट, और ये जापान का मॉडल है, जापान में डेवलप किया हुआ।
डीप कोंगा फुकाकुइकु ताइक्यू से अप।
ये अच्छे से मिट्टी के गहराई में जाकर अच्छे से जो टीलेज है अच्छे से प्रोसेस हो जाता है और इसकी पल्वराइजेशन अच्छे से हो जाती है और इसका जो कॉस्ट है इससे बच जाती है।
What quality? Not borrow. SUP6।
ये जो क्वालिटी है ये कोई बोरोन नहीं है, कोई बोरोन क्वालिटी नहीं है, ना कोई किसी स्क्रैप के लोहे की बनी हुई है। ये ताइयो इंडिया में डेवलप किया हुआ ब्लेड LGF ब्लेड है।
同じ色が出てます。偽物が出てますけども気をつけてください。太陽インディアの本物です。
बहुत सारे ऐसे फेक ब्लेड आपको मार्केट में मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन इसी सेम कलर के, लेकिन आप थोड़ा अवेयर रहिएगा क्योंकि ये ताइयो इंडिया का ही असली प्रोडक्ट है मार्केट में।
農家さん、ファーマーさん、騙されないようにしてください。安い安い、これと同じ。No です。
किसान भाइयों, आप लोग डिस्टर्ब मत होइए, परेशान मत होइए, क्योंकि आपको बहुत सारे लोग पागल बना के, बेवकूफ़ बना के आपको लोकल ब्लेड और सस्ता माल वाला ब्लेड बेच रहे हैं। ये असली प्रोडक्ट है ताइयो इंडिया का और यही अच्छी क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट है।
Dhanuka Agritech Limited has organized a distributor meet for their Punjab and Haryana channel partners at Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. It launched 393 product Kiari, Nisocidium, 1 Kill and 194 product Tornado, and also awarded distributors for their outstanding performance. Mr. KP Sindhu, DGM Punjab, Mr. Yadvendra Singh, DGM Haryana, and Mr. Atul Kumar, North Zone General Manager from Dhanuka, addressed the channel partners and discussed a strong Dhanuka products pipeline and future crop opportunities. Mr. Namit Gandhi, Chief Marketing Manager, and Mr. Dipanshu Goswami, Deputy Marketing Manager, detailed about the newly launched products. Sulphur Mills Limited, one of the foremost crop production agrochemical companies in India, has successfully launched and established their new product under the Rise with Reap initiative. Sulphur Mills is the largest manufacturer of sulphur in the world and offers unique formulation along with combinations. Solvents Tractor Association of India (SEA) has decided to reduce prices of edible oil by 3,000 to 5,000 per ton due to Diwali. SEA President Atul Chaturvedi said that SEA members are saddled with high due to paid stocks. They are responding to the needs of consumers and bringing down the prices. Skymet Weather, India's leading weather analytics firm, has launched a new mobile app that will enable users to check real-time values of air quality index AQI and PM2.5 and PM10 values for over 400 locations pan-India. Based on the data at a specific location, the app will also provide advisories historically, hourly and weekly, and forecast data of PMs and personalized health recommendations. Tanajar, a non-profit firm, launched E-Wari program, an initiative to digitalize Anganwadi Center and spread awareness on importance of nutrition in Srikakulam and Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh as part of their ongoing Andhra Pradesh Farmer Market Readiness Program 2 APFMRP2 supported by Walmart.org. Certis Europe secured second place in the prestigious 2021 Bernard Blum Award with its novel broad-spectrum fungicide ProBlad. The award is presented annually by IBMA for novel biocontrol solutions that have a high impact in the management of pests and diseases, with least having a low impact on human health and the environment. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jhakran. Thank you.